This forgotten corner of the yard is nothing but dry, cracked earth and stubborn weeds. It is an eyesore that lacks life, but today we begin a complete natural transformation. First, we clear the debris and pull every weed by hand to ensure a clean slate. Raking away the old dust reveals the hidden potential of this neglected space. We break the hard ground and mix in rich, dark organic compost to nourish the upcoming plants. Watching the pale dust turn into fertile soil is the first satisfying step. A curved edge is carved into the turf to define the garden's new shape. We carefully place natural stones along the border to create a beautiful, structured perimeter. Now, the main greenery is introduced. We dig deep holes for lush ferns and vibrant shrubs, ensuring each root ball is nestled perfectly into the fresh, nutrient-dense earth.
Delicate flowering perennials are tucked between the larger plants for a pop of color. A thick layer of dark wood mulch is spread to lock in moisture and beauty. Gentle water mist cleans the leaves and settles the soil for a polished look. Every stone is scrubbed, and the surrounding grass is trimmed to perfection for the reveal.
Witness the incredible journey from a desolate, dry patch to a vibrant, thriving garden oasis. This stunning before and after shows how nature can completely revitalize a forgotten home corner.